Twin. You can sit with me if you want. No, I'm gonna go eat my chips. Oh, okay.
He said, nah.
Gotta go eat my chips.
Yeah.
Why are you sitting in there? It's gone. It's gone.
What the fuck are you doing? Get your toothbrush.
You forgot your toothbrush? Get your... Okay.
Queen. I said Matt. I said Matt.
No, you said
I said
Matt.
Matt.
Hey! I said Matt.
You know how many times as a triplet I probably accidentally use your toothbrush? Like I literally said that to Matt. I went in.
Yeah, but we don't make out. Like that's the equivalent.
What the fuck?
That's
is that?
the equivalent.
Not even close.
In order to use someone's toothbrush, you have to...
I would gladly take a sip out of that fucking can of Red Bull after let's just have
that's
shit.
a
I'm not gonna kiss you.
No, that's a moment that is so zero.
I almost just dropped this camera, but I didn't.
Pose like this. Do that. You know?
Yeah.
So I feel like it's just all the architectural ability and like the propellers and the way it slides through the waters. Big boats, I don't really understand how something that heavy and massive could not go under. But hey, that's something that I didn't really learn about. So okay, this guy's talking to himself and hold it. Just hold it. Take it. Do it. Fucking rat! Big rat! Biggest rat I've ever seen in my life!
Where?
Holy fuck!
Where?
In that grass. I thought it was a fucking cat. And it's a rat. Oh, that was a rhyme. See it? Oh, I just saw it. Oh, fuck.
I don't see it.
It's huge. Holy shit! That bush. That's like inhabitable. That's a mutation. That thing came from like a fucking layer. That thing had to come. That's fucking Splinter right there. Yeah, that's fucking Master Splinter. Where? Oh, where? Thank you, Matt. You saw it over there, Nick. See the tree? See the tree?
Count. So go to the rat, and then go to the channel.
Oh my god, that one's gross. Yup. We gotta go home. It's been singing. Right there. There. That's not the one that I saw, but look at it. Look at it. I'm not getting out. He's about to get absolutely attacked by the cat rat. Oh my fucking god, that thing was bigger than... He's got no idea rats are 10... Like if you... It's alright. Take your time. If you... Like how do we know that was the last one? Yeah, I don't get it, man. How can we... I'm trying to really think of this.
Yeah, I see.
That should happen in this... That should happen in this... No! Don't fucking tickle me. I don't understand why someone can be tickled. It's not that it makes you laugh, it's just that it feels funny. Yeah, why does it feel funny?
Oh god, you're so lucky you didn't fucking tickle me. I will break your gum.
Ow!
I didn't even touch you.
No, I hit my own hand. Have a sip.
No!
I ate all the nuggets I just back. There we go.
We stopped for McFlurries though.
Yeah, we did.
Stop. You run them both coming out of the machine at the same time.
I'm trying to look for who Nick's yelling at.
You! What about the spaghetti dish in the soda stream is when you're eating spaghetti, why are we looking at this guy?
Cause Nick, it's 1 in the morning, and he's walking on the sidewalk. Hold on, wiggling a bag. Obviously, we're gonna. I just want to make sure you
eat it all, and then you rinse off your plate.
Now you're not getting. Hey, you hit me! You hit me! I did nothing.
You're not getting a sip.
How the fuck are you gonna hit me because I did nothing, and then you're gonna fucking take away the sip?
Cause you interrupted Nick. Go ahead. What do you want me to do? Sit and fucking make a silent movie? Do you want me to mime and gesture it back here?
Really bad joke.
That wasn't a joke. Cleaning machine is.
Go!
Fuck doing. Must we all repack tonight? What there?
What did you get? Did you get Coke or
I got root beer?
Root beer?
Yeah.
Kind of a sip.
Sure.
No, but like, okay.